Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fun one because I'm going to be doing a full face of foundation. Even my eyebrows, even my eyeshadow, and even my lips. Yes, I'm going to literally, I have my tray actually left over from where I mixed all my foundations together. If you haven't seen that video, check that out. So I still have my tray of foundations, and I'm just gonna, go into the tray. I also have some stick foundations, and we're gonna do the makeup with the full face of foundations. This is an interesting challenge. I actually saw first Tina Tries It do it. I'm not sure if someone specifically created this. I know that's always a touchy subject. So like I always say, comment down the person that you think created this challenge, and we can show them some love in the comment section. I saw Tina Tries It do it. She did a really cool job. She used the NARS little sample ones, which look like this. So I might use one or two of these to mix some shades to create some cool shades. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. A little bit of a weird video, but weird is fun. And we're going to be having fun together. And I challenge you to do this because I think it would be really cool. The only thing I'm going to use that's not a foundation is I might hit it with a little bit of setting powder, because if I don't, this is literally just going to slip and slough around, especially with my eyes and eyebrows. It's just going to be like... So that's the only thing I'll use that's not foundation, and I'm really excited to see like how I do this challenge and how it's gonna turn out. I'm not promising anything great, but we're gonna hope for the best. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and sing the subscribe song, and then we're gonna jump right into the video. Mean Girls Mom, Mean Girls Mom. Be sure and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Now let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so we have some bad news. I washed nope. Here it is. I washed all my Y6s because you guys know I like to collect these, and I just found one in my drawer. It's dirty, but it's fine. I thought I didn't have one on hand, and I was too lazy to get up and go get it. Okay. Okay, so first we'll start with obviously just putting foundation on my face like normal. Today I'm going to be using the Jouer foundation. This foundation is like the most full coverage foundation I've ever used in my life. I just added some on my Y6, and I'm going to dot it on my face, and then I'm going to blend it with this brush. Guys, look at this coverage. This color I'm using, by the way, is bronzed, but what I like to do is to blend it in small circular motions, which gives you, okay, this color might be a little bit too dark for me, but we'll pretend that it's not, but this gives you more of an airbrush, stroke-free finish. We're going to make sure and get the neckline, that way we can pretend that the foundation isn't too dark for me, and we'll just bathe my whole body in it, and it will trick people into thinking that I have a little bit of a tan, that I've been on vacation in the tropics, but really I've just been filming videos. Okie dokie, artichoke. So the great thing having all these NARS samples is I don't really have a foundation that's super light, and I just need one to conceal with, or foundation conceal with. So I'm actually going to go ahead and pull one out to do that. I'm going to use light 4.5. The foundation looks kind of good, but girl, that Jouer foundation is no joke, baby. If you like full coverage, that's your girl right there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead. I love this little spatula. Oh yeah. NARS makes the best, this is probably going to be like a weird concealer, but the best concealer, so I'm counting on you. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that. Oh, it's like watery because it's foundation, not concealer. Oh, almost contoured with it. Lord have mercy, I swear to God I know how to do makeup. Okay, so I went ahead and like highlighted my face in the areas that I like to highlight. And now I'm going to go in with, what should I use? I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown foundation. This one is in shade Warm Almond 6.5, and I'm going to contour with it. So we'll contour a little down the nose. I love cream contour. I don't do it as much just because it's another step and it takes a little bit longer, and if I'm being real, I do my makeup pretty much every day, so sometimes, I get a little tired. I'm going to take a Y11 brush and it's such a soft, fluffy brush, and we're dealing with a super liquidy product, so it's really great to work with. So I'm going to blend out our concealer foundation. Oh my God, why is that like really pretty? It looks like a concealer, guys. I used that NARS foundation and it looks good. Really good. How interesting. And a little bit goes a long way, so I kind of feel like I put a little bit too much on my forehead. Just gonna blend this part out with my fingers so we can get a little bit more specific. Okay, and now I'm going to take a Y10 brush, which is a little bit of a more dense brush and a little bit more smaller, so you can be somewhat more precise with it to blend out this contour. This stick foundation is a little bit of a thicker product, so it's a little easier to blend out whenever you have a denser brush. That's why I'm going to be using the Y10. Girl, we just stop blending away. Hey, hey. I'm going to take an M579, and because this is a little bit more precisely shaped, it's perfect for the nose contour. So I'm going to blend out that. She used a lot of product on her nose, so it looks like she's been brown nosing. Do you guys know what brown nosing means? I'll let them explain that to you in the comment section. All right, now that my face is, you know, foundation-ified, it looks so good to me. I'm sorry, besides my nose, I gotta add a little powder, which will lighten this up. This looks so good to me. It looks beautiful, actually. This is like a super highlighted and contoured skin, but it's like really pretty to me. Okay, shall we move on? For eyebrows, I'm gonna take this iconic London foundation stick, and I'm gonna take, it has a big long hair on it. Ew. An R44 angled brush. Has a nice little spoolie on the end. And here goes the brow part. So now we're going to say a little soft prayer for Laura and hope that it all works out well. Hold me close, tiny dancer. This color was a flop. Okay, we're not going to use that. Scratch that. We're going to go to one of our NARS little samples. Why do I feel like I'm gonna have to use this shade? This is the dark number 6 shade from NARS. And I'm gonna use this for my brow, so it's kind of a liquidier product, but let's try. Let's see what happens. I don't know if I showed you guys the color. I forgot, I think, but that's what it looks like. I think my eyebrow looks really good. Now, this isn't specifically the color I would typically go for. I tried. Probably could have went a little bit lighter on foundation, but I think it looks really good. That shows you how much pigment is in these foundations. I'm going to take a Y21 brush in this Lancome foundation and carve out my brows. I'm going to take an R32 brush in the iconic London pigment stick, and because we're dealing with cream product, that's why I'm using such a dense brush. But I'm going to start like buffing out my outer corner, and we're going to try to finagle and make like some type of pretty eyeshadow. Like she's got like this gorgeous bronze smoky eye. I'm actually going to mix in just like a tiny touch of that foundation that we use to do our eyebrows. Not blend our eyebrows. Uh-oh, I may have messed up. I'm going to go back to that really light shade that we use as concealer. Take a dot and apply that to my eyelids. I'm laughing because this is just so funny. I'm going to take a little bit of translucent powder on a loose brush because, girl, we're about to have a mess on our hands. So, and plus my eyes are already creasing pretty badly. So we're just going to set it. All right, I'm now gonna put on some mascara and lashes, and then we will continue onward with our lips. For my lips, I'm going to apply some of the Huda Beauty. And I'm just going to use my finger. She went nude, y'all. She did a nude lip. I'm actually not going to add false lashes, by the way. I just want to do like natural lashes today. Call me crazy, because I am. But I'm going to take some of this pigment stick and just bronze it up. This just feels wrong on so many levels. It just ain't right. But why is that actually a pretty nude? And that's it for this video. This is the finished look. And why is it kind of pretty? I did not expect this to all. I expected it to be a train wreck, but actually, like, even the brows look good. The lip color looks good. The eyeshadow looks good. Y'all, it's kind of pretty. I don't know. Tell me what you think down in the comment section right down below. And I, again, challenge you guys to do this. I want to see your looks. If you do it, be sure and tag me. I think it would be so much fun. And I had fun doing it. And I think my face looks really good. I might be crazy, but I think it looks good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just cracked up. Sorry. I'm just like checking myself out. Yeah, but this was so much fun. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe. Subscribe. Hey. Oh my Lord, I have forgot set and spray. So now we're gonna go ahead and set the makeup. It looks so good. Little Dior. Little Dior air flash to set the makeup.
Look at your shirt.
Oh my God. And now we're finished. Thanks for watching. Checking myself out.